Welcome back to my another Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create 3D texts in Photoshop. Before I begin, don't forget to subscribe my channel below and hit bell icon to never miss the update. Let's get started. First of all, go to File, choose New here. Select your document size and hit Create. Now take Text tool, then type the text like this. Perfect. Now hit Ctrl-T for transform options. Hold out button and decrease the text size like this. Hit Enter. Now we want to position the text to center. So hold Shift button and select these two layers. Go to Layer, Align, and choose Vertical Centers. Again, go to Layer, Align. This time choose Horizontal Centers. Perfect. Now right-click Context Layer and choose New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. Then go to Layers panel. Now right-click on bottom background layer here, select Post Guard. Select these two layers by holding Shift key and hit Ctrl-E to merge the layers. Perfect. Now go to 3D panel. Here I want to change the front texture, so select 3 Front Inflation Material. Then go to Load Text option. Here, select your texture file and hit Open. Here, utilize this section for all the material, color, or texture changes. Now select 3D text layer. Go to Shape Preset. Here I choose Bevel Frame. Also use New Infinite Light. Then change the light direction. Increase the shadow softness to 40%. Now hit Trend. It'll take some time. Perfect. Now go to Layers panel. Right-click this layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now the time to see the final result. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.